Scan creates running lists. Reduce does the opposite. It compresses an entire list into one powerful result. If scan feels like Python, reduce feels like a custom sum, count, or aggregator you design yourself. To understand reduce, imagine you have a list of values. Reduce walks through that list one item at a time. At each step, it combines the current value with an accumulator, a memory of everything processed so far. But unlike scan, reduce only returns the final accumulator. This makes reduce ideal for custom totals, custom counts, and any calculation where you want one final number. Reduce has three parts: the initial value, where the accumulator starts, the array, which is the list you want to process, and lambda, the rule for combining values. Excel applies your rule repeatedly until only one result remains. Let's start with the simplest example: total sales. This behaves like sum, but you control the logic. The formula tells Excel: start at 0, add each sales value, and return the final total. This is sum rewritten using reduce, but the real power comes when you customize the logic. Excel doesn't have a productive or a custom product function, but reduce can build one instantly. This function tells Excel: start at 1, the neutral element for multiplication, multiply each value, and return the final product. This is ideal for compounding returns, growth factors, or probability chains. Reduce is incredibly useful for custom aggregations, statistical measures, conditional counts, compressing panel data, summarizing time series, replacing long-nested formulas, or eliminating helper columns. It gives you full control over how a list becomes one final number.
Thank you for watching the video. Please like if you found it helpful.